Their heads are white. They seem to like they are having a crown on their heads. These ones, you see these brown ones here. They seem to have like a crown on the head. This is so beautiful. The nature is satisfying, eh? Yeah, that's how far they are from where I am. Okay, let's continue. And I hope you guys, you're enjoying these views. If you love nature, you know how it feels to be here, for sure. Look at these birds. They are living in a group of them. They don't leave one another behind, especially the white one from right to there. Look at, just right there, these white ones. They are living in a group of birds. The sunset is right here. And there are kids grazing here around the swamp. This is also where the kettles get water from. And you know, it is a place that feeds a lot of animals. Wasana kwaje? Tamini kofiti. Ng'ombe wenu wafukuzani? Ng'ombe, kuna mwenye nafaa kuogopa hapa? Oh. Hii inaitwa gimbo. Gimbo. The kids are grazing here. Sinaona sijabeba kitu. Sina nini. Sijabeba pesa kwa mfuko. She is telling me I buy her something, but I didn't carry my phone, neither money. Hey. Tutaonana. Nitakuja siku ingine, sasa sijui ni lini. Haya. She was telling me to buy her something, but unfortunately, I didn't carry my phone. Where? I didn't carry my phone with me. The one I'm carrying, it has no SIM card. It has no SIM card. Neither do I have money in pocket. So let's continue. Last time I was here like a week ago, it was not this water was not here. It was not here. Now it is extending. It is adjusting. I don't know where it gets water from, because even in dry season, it doesn't dry all the water. All the water does not go away. No? Look at these reeds. Very nice. We used to this when we were kids. We used them to weave. We could weave hats. We could weave, watches. We could weave baskets, a lot of things. It mattered on how quick are you to learn and practice. So, yes, this is the swamp. Looks like a lake. Here, this covered here. It is alerting asking others for the danger, you know. I'm an intruder, so for security, he's alerting his fellows. Okay, what was I saying? I was saying, and there I don't know whether it's school or what. You see that buildings there? I'm not sure whether it's school or something else. Maybe one day I will walk that way. Okay, what was I saying? I was saying, when you were kids, your fastness in learning determined what you will weave with those reeds. Last week when I was here, this water was not right here. It was this one, this looks like a stream. It was down there, but now it has adjusted up to this point and it's still going. Yeah, and you see sheep here grazing. You know, this place, I'm not sure the people who are calling me there, right there. The Yemen and last month, I don't know, Kenyans here. Actually, it's a very bad act. Look at this bird. He was sleeping, basking at the sun. I'm sorry, bird. I came to disturb you. And honestly, they are basking at the sun. Okay. Those men, they did a heinous act. So I don't believe men from this area. So I can't go there. You know, I'm not scared, but for sure what they did, I cannot even go meet them in the hiding point where they are calling me from. So just choose my way. Yeah, this is the song. Actually, it is extending. Last time I was here, I could walk through here. You see, as if it is dry, but it is not. Always step on it. That's when you realize it is not dry. Can you hear those birds? They can even heal you if you are sick. Hearing such noises from such creatures is something beautiful. Here, can you hear them? Yes, I've come from that far ahead. You know, I'm against the sun now. I've come from that farther ahead to here. It takes almost 30 minutes or 1 hour to walk around it, to cover the whole distance. And I'm here. I'm almost done walking around the swamp. And it is a nice experience. The sunset is just here. The water, the vegetation, the surrounding are the mountains, the hills, the hills and the cool breeze. I think that's what it is for today. Look at that huge birds here. These ones, These ones. I'm getting closer to them, but I know they might run away. they may not like the camera, so I will just flip the camera. Look at the reflection of the sun in the water. Look at that reflection. So beautiful. This reflection is so beautiful. I'm just a bit closer on this other end. This is it. And from where I'm heading to, don't know where you will. Look at that refraction. It is called a refraction of the sun in the water. And it has this small station here. Your girl is here. You know where those people were calling me from? From just, I can also hear them. From just that forest there. That one. I can't go there. They did something very, very bad. So I can't just go there alone. Yeah. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I will really, really appreciate your support on this. And thank you for tuning in. Thank you so, so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Today I did not carry my glasses. The sun is too hot and bright for me, for my eyes. Yes, this is your girl here. Now, please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment as you enjoy the reviews of today's video. Okay? Yeah. Scenic. Okay. This one looks so cool. They're not as bad as the other ones. Okay, let me show you right from here. I'm on this other end. Yes, sun. Duck, the wild ducks, they live here. This is their habitat. So they are so beautiful. Let me show you in a close angle. Look at how beautiful they are. This place is a home of for so many types of birds, and I think Meru County government should do something on this area. Can you imagine if there is a just somewhere to chill, a chilling point where you can take watch at these sceneries. The place is so too scenic. Just they can do something to do with just something similar to Lake Naivasha. It could be something good. This is somewhere you can collect. It can generate revenue. It can create jobs. It can create jobs and have all that chilling point and scenic levels points, just like and still protect the ecosystem, protect and control the ecosystem. And it could be a good experience. Can you imagine a hotel around here? Government, please think of something like this. Let's create jobs. And our Jamhuri Day is over here. I hope you can visit here and see. So beautiful. Our Independence or Jamhuri Day is over today, so we're heading back home. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until we meet in the next video, I think I will end this video here, and please, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Goodbye.